Oh, hi, my name is Jose Alberto, and I'm glad to have you here. In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to share a problem that actually is a project that I did, right? And what is the situation? It's a company, and that company works with houses. That company sells houses, right? And that's why that company needs to know, for instance, how many houses they have on the market to do benchmarking, to do comparables, all right? And they gave me, right, a database. Let me show you the database that they gave to me. Let me open, it's not that one. Actually, yes, it's that one. It's that database, right? And that database, I want to show a situation that is about that. About these two columns, all right, that the columns ask price and sold price. Why? Because in the database that they gave to me, see how the value are saved, right? They have some symbols, they have commas, right? But I need that my value stay like that. Can you see? You know? So what can you do that? Yes, we need to change that. Could I do that in Excel? Of course that I can. And I did it a couple of times. But I want to show you a solution that we're going to use Python. All right. So, but it's important to say that the whole code, because I did all things too. All right. This is my final code. Let me show you. Let me show you. And this is code will stay in my GitHub too, alright? This is final code. And of course that I didn't just do that about change and replace that symbols and that comma. I did other things, but I want to show you just that solution, alright? So let's go. Okay, uh, here we are. And just to comment, this is that other file that I showed you was an Excel file, but this is the original file, and this original file is on CSV, all right? And this file is the file that we will use, all right? First step, you need to create a folder, and I have already done that, all right? And I will use VS Code, right? This. So let's open our folder. Is open folder, right? And you need to open folder and put inside your folder our file. Portfolio key and select it. All right. Sorry, I don't know if I. Okay, here is here. I found. So this is our folder, and let's starting create our, let's say, Python file convert, right? Okay, so let's go. The first step, let's import. We are going to use the library pandas, right? Panda as PD. And the first and later, right? Let's say where are our file path. That is so important that your file stay inside the folder to have no problem with your file path. So here's database, May 2025, copy, right? Copy, CSV. Let's see if it's working. So let's just try and df, right? Zico PD, radar CSV, file path, right? Yes, and print. Let's print what? CSV is working. Right, accepted. SE. It's not working. And I don't know if you don't know, but you can add some symbols too, like that. Let's see, that's cool. Yes, I like it. So here, okay, let's try. So our CSV is working, and the next step is going to do the function, all right, that will convert that money to float. So let's go. Convert money to float. Float. Okay, let's go. So our function, our column of def clean money, all right, and value, and if is not value or value. So what this line will do? This line will see if that value, all right, is a none or as no value. Why? Because we will replace that dollar $sign, yes, in nothing, and that commas in nothing too. So he will just try to do that function in cells, all right, in rows that have values. Okay, so if it happen, I want return none. Or let's try do what? Return. I want to return that. So it's going to be float or value, and yes, here we can replace. Here, yeah, we will replace. Yes. Here is when we replace that second and that. So this will remove dollar remove dollar sinks, right? And the order is replace and comma is will remove commas, 1000 separator, and replace. Sorry, this is not replace, this will be strip. It's a strip. Finish. Oh my god. Here, finish and remove white spaces. Okay. About this white space, imagine a value like that. For instance, I see this is white space in the end and the beginning. Yes, this strip will do that with the value. We'll do that. Yes, we'll remove that. Okay, so here and try that. accepted, return none. Yes, if conversion fails, right? Let's save and see why he's trying to tell something to us. Here, strip here. Okay, our code is finished at our that function, and now, yeah, just to finish, what we need to do, we need to load again. Let's do again our CSV. Let's call our df the read our CSV, right? This database May 2025 copy, right? Yes. Or we could, for instance, use that file path. Here's PD. Okay. NDF. And here you really need to be very pay attention, because we will write the columns names, and these names need to be exactly the same. We can even, yes, all right, exactly. So here is ask price and sold price equals RDF, right? Ask price and sold price again. This here, I'll close that here. And what we will apply map. What does apply map will do? Is apply map will apply the function that we created in these columns. Do you know? So apply map will apply the function we create. Sorry, the function we created, that is claim money, right? Yes, claim money in the columns ask price and sold price. Let's save. And what we want, and our finish line, that just to save clean data. Okay, so df point to csv what. Successfully. Let's save. And now to finish, let's run our code. We need to save our code. Let's save and let's run. Okay, let's run. And oh, we had a problem. Let's see about our sold price. Let's see here. Oh, here, as I say to you, you know, this columns needs to be exactly the same. So sold price. So let's do again. Okay, so CSV is working now. If our code is working, let's open, let's do something just to see. Okay. Oh, yes. That columns ask price and sold price. But if we pay attention, I wouldn't like that the value be like that. I would like that value would be like that. So we need to, let's do a little change in our code. So okay, just for that video, don't be so long, all right? Just to show you what I did, yes, I just added that line here, okay? That line here, I'm going to make here, just here, I just changed that try, okay? Final code, so let's run again. Let's save and let's here, run. Okay, amazing, it's working. Let's see. Oh, yes. Yes. And here we are. Ah, amazing. Okay. Thank you. I really, if you like this video, if you are any doubts in question, please comment and subscribe and until the next. Thank you.